Hey, thanks for checking out my comparison between the Kidzone tractor and trailer combo and the Blazin wheels tractor. Does not come with the trailer. The Blazin wheels is a little bit more. I think it was $300 for the Blazin wheels, and this one right here is the Kidzone, and I think we paid about $200 for that. So to start out, they're both really similar. They both have start buttons that are the same, gas pedal. This one has no Bluetooth, but it has SD slot, USB, and an auxiliary port. It's got switches for high speed, low speed, stop, forward, back. The lights do not have switches. It's got a horn, and it plays about 5 or 6 different songs. So we'll shut this one off. This one does have lights on the back and the front. You can't really see them really well, but they're LED. So, Kidzone, this one has Bluetooth, but it does not play any music on its own. It just has a startup sound, and then you can connect Bluetooth to it. It's got volume, one USB port. You can turn the lights on, but it's just the headlights. There's all the lights on. But you can shut those off with a switch, unlike the other one. It's just got a squeaker horn. And this one also has a remote control, so younger kids can learn how to ride using this one, where that one does not. So that pretty much wraps up the features on these two. I'll go to some other videos where it shows my son riding it, and we'll go from there. So wanted to do a comparison video on these two tractors I got here. I did a review a while back on the Kidzone, which is that one over here. You can see on my channel if you'd like to check out the unboxing and review on that. And we just picked this one up about a month ago. Drive, bud? And this one, the lights are on all the time, I believe. Yeah, I don't think this one has a switch for the lights, but they come on. This one I noticed doesn't do as well going up hills compared to the Kidzone. It doesn't have quite the torque that the other one has, but they both go about the same speed on flat ground. And my son, he just turned 2 about a month ago, and he's pretty big for his age. We just got him learning how to turn it. This one does not have a remote control. We initially bought the Kidzone, the smaller tractor, for him because we needed a remote control, and we wanted to be able to have that functionality. This one doesn't have it. Obviously it's meant for older kids that are more experienced. So the smaller one's good if you're looking for a tractor for a kid on the younger side, and this is good for a kid that you're gonna plan on keeping their toy for a long time. Yeah, and we bought this for $300. This one didn't come with the trailer. The other one does. The other one I think was like about $200. So that's the end of my review on the comparison between these two tractors. There's definitely a huge difference in size. Obviously, the BW, it's definitely made for older kids. The Kidzone is made for younger kids, but like I said, both have been really great. They've been reliable so far, and we haven't had any problems with them. So check out my channel, and you can see the review on the unboxing for the Kidzone. If you go check out my other videos, that's it. Thank you.